London plan has failed due to your votes. Nawaz Sharif is a petty person who delivered a victory speech despite trailing by a margin of 30 seats, according to official results. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, it is you we worship and you we ask for help, my fellow Pakistanis. Yesterday, you laid the foundation for Hakiki Azadi, true freedom, with your votes. I congratulate each and every one of you for winning the 2024 election. I had complete faith in you that you would come out and vote. You all honored my faith, and your massive turnout has shocked everyone. The London plan has failed due to your votes. Nawaz Sharif is a petty person who delivered a victory speech despite trailing by a margin of 30 seats, according to official results. No Pakistani will accept it. Even international media is speaking out against such absurdity. According to independent sources, we were winning on 150 seats of the National Assembly before rigging started happening. At this moment, we are leading 170 seats of the National Assembly, according to data of Form 45. My fellow Pakistanis, you have made history. I am immensely proud of you, and I thank Allah for uniting us as one nation. Now, nothing can hinder our progress. Lastly, there is no need to panic. Celebrate the victory and offer prayers of gratitude. Despite 2 years of injustice and atrocities, we have won the 2024 election with a 2/3 majority. Everyone has witnessed the power of your vote. Now, demonstrate the strength to protect your vote. Pakistan Zindabad.
पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग नून सबसे बड़ी जमात बन के उभरी है। हमारे पास इतनी मेजॉरिटी नहीं कि हम अपने तौर के ऊपर हुकूमत बना सकें, इसलिए हम अपना उन इत्तेहादी पार्टियों के साथ जो कि इस इलेक्शन के अंदर कामयाब हुई हैं, हम ज़रूर उनको दावत देंगे कि वो भी हमारे साथ शराकत करें।